so we never see her again.
And too much time me talk to you so when you do there for flush the toilet. We left the shit in there for?
Me dip on the phone.
But dip on phone. You pay your phone bill? Get up and go flush the toilet.
I'll do something for me.
Come on, youth here. Hello? Me there out on the front with some bag. Me don't know if you could have come help me with them. Yeah, man, me throw on a shirt and come, man. Alright. What the fuck? No, man. Where is Salam Makala, brother? Where are you? You don't like Makala? But me just come off the phone with you. Now you never chat-ins with me, man. Go wash your plate them. I take out back shit. Hey. Like you have to do everything yourself to what, man? You know that? Eh? See bro, man. Go sweep out the place, man. So you turn my place. A space man take up, you know? You tell me, man.
Is it? I'm a dog right? First I'm a boy like them, full of gun, full of crocodile.
Girl, listen. Yeah.
Hello, mama.
Is what?
Yeah, the town can't come in.
Yeah, man, you can't come in. Come.
You sure me can't come in?
Oh, yeah, dog in a yard.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, yeah, my father there.
Oh, what the real yard do no more?
Oh, wait. You never get my number. No, you have to come in the yard.
Hey, if you come back in, I'm going to turn you upside down. Yo, fuck this blood clot. I mean, I want no number.
Yeah, this is an exclusive from DJ Blue.
RDX. Girl, make your body jump.
No, man. The one that head tough. No, sir. Wow. You got enough problem.
I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating.
They not up me yet.
Hold on, me have a look. Yeah, they're up in. Alright, come, we go look at visa before they recount the ball at herb.
Mummy! Yeah! Mummy! Made hurt me.
You're on the phone from last morning, that's why you hurt you. That's why you hurt you.
Mommy, how the phone
That's why you
up
hurt you.
doing
You're
Eddie?
on the phone from morning. You don't get up with the stinking self. Don't call me.
What's wrong with your arm?
Oh, nothing. I just got the new COVID vaccine. I got a text this morning, said they could stop by the house and give it to me. no lineups or anything. It's just sometimes there's some side effects, and I have to let them know. But I feel good.
Good morning, class, and welcome back from your COVID break. Now, please turn your attention to the board. We're going to do a recap. Now, I want the class to say the alphabet.
Yes, sir.
1, 2. The alphabet. 2 ones, 2, 2 twos, 4. All right. Please say the months of the year.
The months of the year are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
All right. Please say the days of the week.
The days of the week are January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Them dons again. Them dons.
We don't.
Yeah, dog.
Alright, Jay, tell me what I'm going now.
You know what's somebody with all this, me now, I'm not even breathe until I leave it.
Jay, just breathe. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Alright, talk to me. Your pussy good. I understand. She quinted for you? Push. Hold this. Want water?
Yeah!
Alright, yeah, come. Jay.
Don't kill myself.
Jay, you're embarrassing.
Come here, pussy good.
Push